Hello, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube channel. After a long break, I'm back with a simple editing tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to create your product packaging in a few minutes. Before we continue, please subscribe to my channel if you didn't subscribe yet. Help me to hit the 1,000 subscribers goal. Thank you. Let's move to the tutorial. First, let's create a new project. I'm using these settings for now. (2,500 to 1,500 pixels is enough for the project. I'm using black background just now. Later I will add a new background from stock images. Rename your project and then click OK. Here, this is our artwork area. First, we have to change the background. So I'm using Pimples.com for choose a better stock image. Usually, I use this Pimples.com for choosing stock images. Pimples.com offers you millions of stock images and stock videos for free. So check it out. I got a couple of stock images for the edit. These are just enough for the edit. Now drag and drop the potatoes. Remove the unwanted stuff. Adjust it using Ctrl+D. Drop the background image behind the potatoes. Then adjust it. Import other stock image to new window. Oh no, potatoes are very boring. Let's add some shadows to them. This is simple edit just from minutes. So simply add some shadows. Oh no, but they are not mouth-watering. Even they are not crispy. Just go to the filter panel, select Camera Raw Filter to make potato wedges more crispy and mouth-watering. Just adjust settings like this. Oh yeah, potatoes are baking. Remember, using shadows in Camera Raw Filter panel, you can add more details to your images. Here we go. Look, now they are pretty good than before. Let's add a name for our product. Oh no, text color selected with blue color. Let's make it white color. What? Oh, I forgot. When we want to change the color of a text during typing, just select the text and change the color. Let's add some more text. Here is a tip for you. When you design a poster or other design, if you want to type a heading into 2 lines, just adjust them like this. It's a better customization for designs. Let's make heading more bigger. Use Ctrl+D to transform size. That's it. Another tip is here. When we add a light-colored header, use shadow with dark color. Immediately text will be bold. just like that. When you put a shadow to a one text, that setting's saved. Then you can simply add shadows only ticking drop shadow easily. Then switch to our next stock image. I would like to give it a tomato ketchup for our customers. So I need this ketchup cup. Here is another tip for you. Use quick selection tool to select something speedily. And go to Select and Mask. Select Output to New Layer with Layer Mask and click OK. Here, now I got this lonely. Then quickly export it. Add it to our potato chips packaging. Resize it. Add a circle to bold the ketchup cup. Like this, let's add some more details. Now it's good. Ketchup cup should have more detailed. Let's go to the camera raw filter and add some more details and color. it's okay. Add some shadows to that. Now we have to add some curry leaves for balance the color of this artwork. Go to the other stock image. Select curry leaves and add them to the artwork. Add some details using Camera Raw filter. Also add some shadows. And that enough? Just add some tomato slice too. Add a rectangle strip to compact the artwork. Next, add a weight tag. Detail it more. this is the final artwork. Hope you enjoyed this episode. Thank you for watching this. Like, comment, share, subscribe for more videos. Hope you soon. Keep in touch.